Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your profile not available. To know how to fix or how to solve your profile not available on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this list. After that, in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.